You've heard it before, you can't lose fat and build muscle at the same time, but that's just a myth. Body recomposition, losing fat while gaining muscle, is possible for anyone. It's not about extreme diets or endless workouts. Smart training and good nutrition are key. Ready to get leaner and stronger? Let's begin your transformation. So, what exactly is body recomposition? It's simply losing fat while building muscle, remodeling your body from the inside out. Focus on how you feel and how your clothes fit, not just the scale. If you're new to weight training or coming back after a break, your body is primed for change. With resistance training and enough protein, you can build muscle even in a calorie deficit. It's a balancing act. Eat enough to fuel workouts and muscle growth, but not so much you gain fat. For most people, this is absolutely achievable. You're not just losing weight, you're building a stronger, more functional body. That's the real goal. Lean, powerful, and full of energy. Nutrition is the foundation of body recomposition. Protein is key. Aim for a source at every meal: chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, lentils, or tofu. Spread protein throughout the day to support muscle repair and growth. Don't fear carbs or fats. Choose complex carbs like oats and sweet potatoes, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Create a small calorie deficit, just 200, 300 calories below maintenance, to lose fat without sacrificing muscle. Make simple swaps. Grill instead of fry, drink water, watch portions. No crash diets, just smart, consistent choices. Proper fuel powers your workouts and your results. Eat well, train hard, and your body will change. That's the nutrition game plan. Training is where the magic happens. Focus on compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, bench presses, to work multiple muscles and burn more calories. Use progressive overload. Gradually increase weight, reps, or intensity to keep challenging your body. Track your progress and aim to improve each week. Add HIIT cardio, short, intense bursts, to burn fat without losing muscle. A balanced week: 3 days of full-body resistance training, 2 days of HIIT. This combo builds muscle and torches fat. Consistency beats intensity. Show up and do the work. Train smart, not just hard, and results will follow. That's your workout blueprint. Recovery is just as important as training and nutrition. You build muscle when you rest, not in the gym. Prioritize 7-9 hours of quality sleep. Your body needs it to repair and grow. Schedule rest days and try active recovery like walking or stretching. Listen to your body. Take extra rest if you need it. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration hurts performance and recovery. The formula: train smart plus eat well plus recover fully equals sign results. Stay consistent and transformation will come. You've got this. Now go make it happen.